Alright guys, shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. This unit right here is a simple, effortless YAKI bob, guys. It comes with an adjustable strap, adjustable hooks, and also an adjustable drawstring. This unit is 100% glueless and very, very secure. I absolutely love this unit, guys. Very simple, straight out the box. This is a 5-minute bob wig install. It is that simple. I'm going to show it to you guys in a side part and a middle part, and it's very easy and straight to the point. Hope you guys enjoyed today's hair video. I will leave the links down below and a coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this unit or any of the 7x5s they have to offer on their website.
So hope you guys enjoyed today's hair video, guys. Let me know what way you guys would style this bob. I try to give you guys like a little bit of a classy type of look or whatever. Very, very cute and straight to the point. Let me know what you guys think about this one. All the information will be left down below per usual, guys. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. And as usual, guys, I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.